Oh, what a save.
That's mad muddy right off the landing.
See, that's exactly why I was not.
I got the bar right in the gut.
That's exactly why I said I'm not. Can you see his tire just fucking go? That's exactly why I was like.
I think it might have cut me actually.
Good.
Yo, what's going on, guys? So it's Saturday morning right now. We just got to Capeway. We're waiting in line to get in right now. The bike's all ready to go. Haven't done much riding, but I did ride a little bit earlier this week, so I'm gonna flash back to this week and show you guys what we've been up to and catch you guys back at the race. So it's Monday right now. We're out here doing a little preparation for race day. As you guys know, I haven't done much riding yet this year. A little bit messing around, but today we're trying to get in some 10-minute motos. As you guys know, my races are 10 minutes long. So what we're doing is getting lap times right now. Mine was a 1:17. We're about to find out what Ian's is. What was it? 1:23. All right, so Ian's was a 1:23, which is pretty good. Mine was a 1:17. So what I'm gonna try and do is do between 8 and 10 laps to prepare for a 10-minute moto. So let's get into it.
Oh, what a save. That was a good save.
Oh, fuck.
Do you have your chest protector on?
Yeah.
That's good.
Oh, fuck. And I'm not playing. It actually does hurt.
I'm sure it does.
Hey, it's affecting that time the fuck on the track.
It's mad muddy right off the landing.
See, that's exactly why I was not.
I got the bar right in the gut.
That's exactly why I said I'm not. Can you see his tire just fucking go? That's exactly why I was
think
like.
it might have cut me actually.
Nah. Your chest protector could have pinched you.
Yeah, like fucking pinched me. All right, guys, almost died right there. I got the bar right in the belly button. We're gonna try attempt number 2 at getting a 10-minute moto in.
Beat?
My arms are tired, fuck. Yo guys, so it's Friday morning. We're getting the bike ready. I got new grips, new chain, new sprockets. I gotta change the oil, gotta change the air filter. Got a bunch of shit to do. I also went out and bought some new 100% goggles. I wanted Oakley's, but they're way too expensive. So Oakley, if you're watching, give me that sponsorship. But anyways, we're gonna get the bike all ready to go and see you back at the race. Just so you guys can see what my sprocket looks like. Right there, see that? Those teeth are just completely worn off. Then there's some bigger teeth. That her dad's front of his sled was all muddy.
Yeah, like.
Alright guys, we're here, did a practice, feeling okay. A little bit of arm pump, but we're gonna go out for our first race. Our dude Evan behind the camera is gonna record it, and I'm gonna get it on GoPro. Racing 2 classes, 250C and open C. And as you guys see, we did some work to the bike. It's going alright. We got the Double O Joe stickers on there. So yeah, we're going out for our first race, so let's go.
Number 623 number 6 out of Redwood, Mass. So Ferrera Fiddle behind Jeff Bradbury.